everybody, welcome to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Eleftheria and we are reviewing courses. So far I have reviewed courses only from Udemy, but today I thought that I should change things and I'm going to do my first review on a Udacity course. The first course, it's going to be Intro to the Design of Everyday Things. So it's more like a UX UI design course and not so much a developers one course. I like Udacity. I think that in general their courses are in high quality and also the instructors are in high quality. They have a good accent so you can understand them easily. All the classes are very well structured and usually you have to do some projects in the end, and you have the forum where you can discuss everything you may like. So let's go back to the course, which, as I said in the beginning, it's Intro to the Design of Everyday Things. And you will see that there are 4 kinds of lessons and every lesson have some videos inside there. So let's just view the first of it. And here you will see all this kind of videos, and sometimes after the video you can find something extra. For example, this course is about design of everyday things, which is written by Don Norman. This is a great book, and if you are a UX or UI designer, most probably you have heard of this book, Design of Everyday Things, and I found it on Amazon. And currently it costs almost $13, and the author or the revisor of this book is the Don Norman, and I will leave in the description of this video all the links that you may need to take this course or to learn more about UX UI design, because this sir is an amazing guy. He is the most experienced guy that you can find on earth right now. I mean, he is amazing. So just by that his core, I knew from the beginning that it would be awesome. In this course there are also some others, some other instructor. He's not the only one, and usually when you have a Udacity course it's like this. It's not only one instructor but many of them. Okay, let's continue and let's say that we are in a final project, which is a UI for a time bank. And let's view also this one. It has like almost 15 videos, and in the resources you can always find, like, except of videos, and transcripts, and then there is forums, videos, and lesson notes, and all these kind of things. So let's go also to the forum. And there are a lot of conversations here. I think that pretty much you'll find everything that you may need. So yes, in total I would advise you to take this course if you're interested in becoming a UX designer or even a UI designer, or in general if you like psychology and if you want to know how people think and how they react to certain things, then again you should take this course. It may be long and it will take you a lot of hours to complete it, but it's totally worth it. If you ask me which is your favorite UX expert, I'm gonna say the instructor of this course. That's it, guys. This is my first ever review on a Udacity course. If you like this video and if you want me to continue making this kind of videos, please share and subscribe. Thank you.